I'm so glad you're watching this, and I welcome you to today's Instagram live. And we are going to be talking about hair fall control, and we are going to be talking about the wonder vitamin biotin. So, most of you who have been reading or listening to content and following a lot of information givers must have heard about the vitamin biotin and must have also heard that biotin is very good for healthy hair. So today we are going to answer the question that if you have hair fall, is it a good idea to start a biotin supplement, and will starting a biotin supplement reduce your hair fall? Is that the answer, or is that the solution to a hair fall problem? So thank you so much for everybody who's joined in, and a good evening to you. So I think this series on Instagram, I would want to call it half knowledge is dangerous. Yes, we heard it in school that half knowledge is dangerous. And today, when I meet so many clients, I get so many questions, so many WhatsApps, so many mails, and they ask me answers to questions to enhance their wellness and beauty. Yes, I'm very happy that people are so proactive and ambitious, and they're looking for scientific solution. But what amuses me is they pretty much feel that medicine is like match the following. So they say, like today Mugdha told me that I had hair fall, and I knew that the thing I needed to do is to start biotin tablets, and I started biotin tablets from the best brand. I have been taking biotin tablets for 2 months, but my hair fall has still not reduced. So this question by Mugdha has prompted me to conduct today's conversation, to have today's Instagram live, because I have also heard this before when there are questions on the internet. Like the other day, Jagruti had posted a question saying, I have hair loss, what vitamin should I take? And a lot of well-meaning people had written that, hey Jagruti, you should take biotin for hair loss. Biotin promises you healthy hair. Now, does biotin promise you healthy hair as a stand-alone solution? Does everybody who has hair fall need biotin as a vitamin? If you are male and losing hair, will biotin work for you? So in the next 5 to 7 minutes, I am going to simplify this for you and answer this question for you. And while answering this question, I am also going to reveal a greater truth which you will know in the end. You will not just know the answer to this particular question, but you will know the answer to a couple of questions. You will understand how to process and think and take the right solution, not the hearsay or the superfluous solution. So yes, if a body has biotin deficiency, there is going to be hair fall. So then in those cases, biotin supplementation is going to help. But if the hair fall is because of some other deficiency and not a biotin deficiency, biotin will not help. So it seems pretty logical, but somehow we miss the point sometimes when it comes to beauty and wellness, because we're so emotionally connected to it. We tend to get carried away. It's not just Mugdha or Jagruti, but I have more than a dozen people who have consumed biotin tablets just because somewhere they had the half knowledge, and those who have said that nothing works for me. So this is a very common thing which we aesthetic doctors hear, and that is the reason these conversations are going to be empowering, and these conversations are going to break that concept that nothing works for me. If you do not hold on to half knowledge, you will find the right solution. So sometimes just holding on to half knowledge is what is not helping you find the right solution. So what I said has made things very clear to you. So lack of biotin is just one of the reasons. Yes, it can be a reasonably common reason for hair loss, because a lot of us are vegetarians, and because vegetarian food does not contain all the nutrients. Another thing is that we also eat a lot of cooked food, whereas we know that raw food has its own place in giving body its nutrient value. So not that you cannot get all the nutrition from vegetarians, but typically what happens is most people are not eating enough of raw food. Most people are not eating a variety of food. The fast food culture is further making people just think about the taste and the gratification from food. People are not eating mindfully. And it's very, very common that healthy looking people, here by healthy I may mean people of a good weight. So when people are of a good weight or slightly overweight, somehow it doesn't even occur to them that they may have some kind of a vitamin deficiency. So it's pretty common, but still that's not the only reason. Sometimes hair fall is due to dandruff, sometimes hair fall is due to hereditary reasons. Hair fall is very commonly because of polycystic ovarian disease too, and in all these cases just taking biotin is not going to help. So I hope you got the answer to your question. Biotin will help only and only if the reason for hair fall is biotin deficiency, which may be the reason or may not be the reason. So what I would suggest you do if you have uncontrolled hair fall is, rather than self-medicate, rather than experiment, rather than lose a few more bunches of hair, talk to an expert. Discuss your history, discuss your entire wellness, discuss your entire health status, your scalp health, and it will be much, much easier to find the right solution than to get carried away. Buy a bottle of biotin, use it for 3 to 6 weeks, and then feel biotin doesn't work, and also feel frustrated that you have lost a lot more hair in those 3 to 6 weeks, because we know that prevention is better than cure. I hope this conversation was useful. A short and a sweet conversation, and like I promised, the bigger message in this conversation, though we took as a topic of biotin and hair loss, the bigger message in this conversation is, one size doesn't fit all. Medicine is not mathematics or match the following. So the reason for every hair loss is not biotin deficiency. So if the reason is not biotin deficiency, the solution for all kind of hair loss is definitely not biotin. So the bigger truth is, diagnose the reason for your problem, and you will find a solution that is fast, easy, and effective. I'm Dr. Shweta Iyengar, founder and thought leader of Skin Sense, the aesthetic clinic, where we promise you amazing skin and hair at any age. Any questions, write to me. Any kind of concerns you have, or you're not sure about certain concepts, I would be happy to answer them for you. A Skin Sense doctor can talk to you on phone one-to-one, and if your question is something that is on a lot of people's mind, I'll only be too happy to answer it on an Insta Live. I hope this was helpful. Have a great night.